So we're back with here with another Titan video. I'm going to install some LED lights in my tail lights. Auxito sent me these bulbs. It's going to be pretty simple. You're going to just need a Phillips screwdriver, and we'll unpackage these. Look like a decent bulb. We'll throw them in and see how they work. I do have a tint on my taillights. Still waiting on some LED taillights that I ordered. So 2 bolts, one's down there. Pull back. And the middle one here is your turn signal. I'm not going to do that one because we'll have to install a resistor or else it will hyper flash. But we're going to do the running one. So give it a pull. I'm just going to set this back so I can show you the difference. Two bulbs side by side here, and you can see they're the same, pretty much the same shape and size. So I'm just going to shove that in. Twist that back. Make sure we've got it lined up properly. Okay, you can just line your clips up on the side. You can pull them out, attach them here, and then push them in from the side. But I always just leave them in. Slide your light back in like that. 2 screws back in. And we'll do a quick comparo. So there's your new LED bulb. There's your old bulb. Okay, so here's a shot with just the rear taillights on. It's pretty bright out here. We'll test again when it's darker. And there's your new bulb there. It does look like there's quite a bit more light output with the new LED bulbs. Let's try it with the brake lights on. So once it's dark, we'll come out and we'll do another comparison shot. Okay, it's a bit darker. We've got the 2 sides here, the OEM side on the right and the new LED side on the left. And it's hard to tell much difference. Where you can really tell a difference is the light output behind it, and we'll have a look at the red light on the shed behind me. So what we're looking at here is a white shed with the tail lights shining on it. I'm about 10-15 feet away. And you'll really see a difference when I stand in front of the tail lights. I'm going to start by standing in front of the OEM bulb. And now I'm going to stand in front of the LED bulb. So you can see quite a bit of difference in the amount of light it's putting out behind. So check out the link in the description for a 12% off coupon code for these Auxito LED bulbs. They've got all sorts of bulbs, different types and styles for all vehicles. And also be sure to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.